Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google app not loading results. If the Google app opens but doesn't show search results, or keeps loading indefinitely, or displays a blank page, outdated app data, or temporary Google service problem. So to fix that, first is to force close and reopen Google app. So if we're using iPhone, swipe up from the bottom, then swipe the Google app away. Open it again and see if that works. If you're using Android, you can open settings, then go to apps, then select Google and click forward stop. Then we open the Google app and see if that solves the problem. Next is to clear Google app cache. So open Google app and click your profile in the bottom right corner. Then click settings icon in the top right. Then scroll down and go to privacy and safety. Now in here, select clear cookies and select clear all. You can also select clear app history and select clear all. Then try again and see if that solves the problem. Next is to update the Google app. So go to App Store or Play Store, then search for Google. So open Google and click update button if it's available. Then once updated, open Google again and see if that solves the problem. Next is to go to your phone settings, then scroll down and go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. Next, scroll down and look for Google app. So open it and click Offload app, confirm it, then wait for reinstall app to appear. So just click on that. So this will free up storage, but keep its documents and data. So once done, open Google app again and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.